We love life with four-legged friends as much as you do. Home wouldn't be home without them. Through the good times, the playtimes, and the mucky times. But no matter how playtime ends, our Pet 3 is your faithful friend that gets dirt out fast. The BISSELL Pet 3 gives carpets all around your home the clean they need. Fill the tank with hand-hot water and your favorite shampoo. And simply run the machine over dirty areas. Its rotating brushes whisk dirt away from the fibers of your carpet, lifting off stains and embedded dirt from life with pets. Remove dirty spots from stairs and upholstery too, with the handheld extension hose. With a range of specialized shampoos to choose from, the BISSELL Pet 3 leaves your home fresh, clean, and comfy for everyone in your family. BISSELL, home to a deeper clean.